If you have ever felt unsure about when to invest in gold or silver, you are not alone. Timing can feel like a guessing game. One of the biggest challenges in investing in precious metals is knowing how the economy might affect your timing. That's where having clear, digestible economic guidance can make all the difference. Inside the Welcome to Augusta guide, there is a section on the education team, a group dedicated to simplifying market trends, inflation data, and economic indicators so you can make decisions with confidence. They break down complex topics like Federal Reserve policy, currency shifts, and inflation risk into plain language, so you can see how these factors might impact gold and silver prices over time. I'll link this guide in the description so you can see exactly how they approach these explanations. It's not about predicting the future, it's about having enough context to recognize when market conditions might be in your favor. The Welcome to Augusta PDF is just one of 8 free guides in the Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle. Together, they cover everything from the basics of a gold IRA to avoiding common mistakes so you can invest without second guessing yourself. You can download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle for free. It's beginner friendly and designed to help you make informed choices at every step. The link's down below, and it's a great place to start if you want clarity instead of confusion.